Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you can see behind me, that's the train station to Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, founded back in, I believe, 1732. And the latest census shows around 300 people here as the population. And we're going to do some train spotting. We'll probably see a couple CSX trains, and right now there's an Amtrak coming. He's running an hour late. There's a surprise. Those are some pretty steep stairs. I'm not sure how many there are, but I'm going to attempt it. Hope I don't have a heart attack. All right, I'm going to follow these people. You might hear heavy breathing. How many stairs do you think there are here? Are actually steps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Some concrete. When there's a bench here, 67 steps. One thing about here, if you get here to Harpers Ferry, the parking lot fills up very quick, so you want to get here early. I will say this, biking and hiking is not for the faint of heart. There's a lot of steep hills here. There's a nice outdoor cafe. This is called the Rabbit Hole, overlooking the train station. They do have a lot of nice outdoor cafes there. This one's the Coffee Mill. Frozen custard, cold drinks, hamburgers. Right above there, 1931 Harpers Ferry. Well, with the heat index of 105, I would say today is a great day for rafting. This is where the Shenandoah and the Potomac merge. Those guys have their own cooler. Sorry about that Amtrak Heritage unit. I thought I had my camera through the fence correctly, but there was one little piece, so it wasn't a very clear view. My mistake on that, but still nice to catch the Amtrak Heritage unit going through the tunnel there. Well, not a bad day. It sure was hot out here with the heat index. They say it was 105 degrees. Not sure if it got to that, but once you're in the high 90s, hundreds, it kind of feels all the same anyway. But we caught 2 CSX trains and an Amtrak. I almost caught another CSX train, but I was walking over the bridge, so I didn't get up there in time. So still pretty good though. And I think that's going to do it here from Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.